Hi, I'm Bob Hazelwood, and I'm the Director of Engineering and Product Development at Andover Audio. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk to you about record care and how to get the most out of your vinyl records. The most important thing to look out for is dust. Dust is everywhere. Dust is attracted to the vinyl records by static electricity as they play. Dust is also surprisingly damaging. It might look like you can just sort of blow it off or wipe it off, but once the dust gets ground into the grooves, it's hard to remove. The stylus is very small, and although your tracking force on a high quality turntable is very light, on the order of 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 grams at most, because the stylus is so small, that 3 grams of pressure is many hundreds of pounds of pressure per square inch on the vinyl. And it's a diamond, which is very hard, pushing into soft vinyl. So it's very easy to do permanent damage or at least significant damage to the vinyl if you're not consistent about your cleaning and your care regimen. Okay, we have a couple of products on our website that we recommend very highly, both for the record itself, also for your stylus. So one of the most common brushes and one of the most common things to do is to just basically brush the dust off as you play the record. It has the advantage of reducing your static electricity pickup. It also has the advantage of taking the surface dust off the records, but it doesn't do any deep cleaning. Using one of these before every play is the minimum recommended record care. But there's a little more that you should do if you really want to take care of your vinyl. One is to not use only a dry brush, to use a wet system. And we have 2 that we sell online from Audio-Technica, from Groove Washer, that we recommend very highly. Let me start with the Audio-Technica. It's called the AT6012. It's their record cleaning kit, and it's a wet cleaner. This cleaner is much more advanced than many look-alike cleaners. And one of the most important things to look for in a wet cleaner is good fluid. A lot of the wet cleaners that you buy at moderate or low prices have a tendency to leave a residue of film on the record. The Audio-Technica 6012 has been engineered to not leave a significant residue on your records when it's done, and it's been proven over the years to work very well. And the way this works is you take your cleaning fluid and you put a few drops in these 2 holes. Then you wait about 5 minutes for the fluid to saturate the internal sponge material. It just gives you enough moisture so that this becomes very effective at picking up surface dust. It's equally important to clean the stylus. The Audio-Technica AT607A is this kit, and it's basically a little fluid with a soft bristled brush that's in the cap. We basically just remove the fluid, let it drip a little bit because you don't want it to be too wet, and then clean the stylus from the back to the front and put it back in the jar. You're all done. The dirt and dust that gets on the stylus often is sticky due to the plasticizers that are in the vinyl when you get new vinyl out of the box, or other oils or environmental grease that gets on the stylus. So just cleaning the stylus with a dry brush may not be as effective as you'd like it to be. So let me talk for a moment about the Groove Washer. Okay, this is a Groove Washer record care kit, which has the pad, a nice convenient walnut handle, the stylus cleaning brush, stylus cleaner, and record cleaner. And this can be used in a couple of different ways. For your casual cleaning before every record, it can be used dry. It can be used slightly wet, just one hit with the fluid gives it enough dampness so that it really picks up the dust nicely. Groove Washer also sells, for more deep cleaning, a record cleaning pad where you put your vinyl record down on the pad and you can spray your fluid on the record and then deep clean it with this thing. The Groove Washer fluid, again, the same thing that holds true with the Audio-Technica fluid is that it is well designed, it doesn't leave a residue, and it's well proven. The Groove Washer Stylus cleaning brush works well both dry and wet. For casual cleaning, move it again from the back to the front of the stylus. It will take the loose dust off. But if you need it, you have the fluid. Put a couple drops on the brush, do the same activity, and it helps to clean the stylus more deeply. And Groove Washer has a variety of different kits. You can buy this kit, and then they have the standard record cleaning kit, which has the same brush material, but without the walnut handle. Still as effective as the luxury kit, but it's just not as luxury. With good record care, your vinyl records should last you years. I've got records from the 70s or 80s in my collection that I took good care of that still sound great today. I've also got records, and I've gotten used records that looked great and sounded terrible. Because if you don't take care of your vinyl, you don't necessarily see it on the surface. With good record care, you should be able to play these records 10, 15, 20 years from now and still have them sound great. With bad record care, all bets are off.
All right. What's the sign of? Enjoy the music?
Bye.